It's been pretty special, not usually will you be able to go up to a trainer and just chat to them because they're usually pretty busy, but the AITC has given us pretty good opportunities to go and say hi to them. I've been interested into track riding, but I've also developed an interest in breaking and training of the thoroughbreds, so that might be an area that I pursue. I'm learning a lot of things about the racing industry. Last time I was here, I learned how to do a tongue tie and I handled my first colt. Queensland Racing has chosen horses that are perfect for beginners in the racing industry. It's been a really good experience. It's given me moments that I'll remember. Follow what you want to do. The racing industry has so many pathways that you can go into.